This is the speed key. Put it in here. Wing up. This is the most important button in the Vanquish S. Right here. Sports on. So there's one feature that has really surprised me about this car, and that's the speed. I'm going to put it in sport here. Let's see if I can show you just how fast this is. It's said to be the fastest SUV in the world. Let's go.
Controls the color of the headlights. How awesome is that?
Okay guys, here we have an M4 with an Armatrix exhaust. You can activate it on. Alright. Wow. You can activate it on. Alright. Guys, look at this ball of keys. I gotta try and find the key, not these, to the 458 Speciale Aperta. This car is worth $1 million, and that's why it's in a bubble. Let's get it out. Let's put that over here. Table of keys here. McLaren, Lamborghini, we've got a few Rolls Royces, Bentley, and the Bugatti key. Gotta take the Bugatti, let's go. The Blue Army. I've got two Ferrari keys, one to the LaFerrari, the other one to the LaFerrari Aperta. This car has just been delivered, just yesterday. It's only been driven a couple of kilometers. Alright. Ready? This is a cold start. Okay, we're gonna go for a drive. You can't wipe the smile off my face. Let's go for a spin. Look at this beauty. All right. See you later. All right, check this out. I've got all my essentials here. McLaren key, handbag, ready to go. This is the new Lagonda concept. Check out this interior. It's coming in 2021.